The importance of network security in the CCNA curriculum. We will delve into the significance of network security within the CCNA curriculum and how it plays a vital role in cybersecurity and information protection. Why is network security important in the CCNA curriculum? In the CCNA curriculum, students learn about various security protocols and practices to secure network infrastructures effectively. What role does network security play in cybersecurity? By understanding network security principles and technologies, CCNA students can enhance their cybersecurity skills and contribute to building secure and resilient IT environments. How does network security enhance information security? By incorporating network security into the CCNA curriculum, students gain the necessary knowledge and tools to implement data protection measures effectively. What are the benefits of integrating network security into networking certification? These include acquiring in-depth knowledge of threat prevention, network defense, and secure networking practices. By obtaining a CCNA certification with a strong focus on network security, students can demonstrate their expertise in mitigating online threats and securing network infrastructures effectively. What is the role of network security practices in data protection? By implementing firewall protection, encryption technologies, and network monitoring tools, organizations can safeguard their data from unauthorized access and interception. Conclusion. In conclusion, the importance of network security in the CCNA curriculum cannot be overstated.